Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Miss Nunes, and I am a computer science teacher working primarily with middle school this year. We are looking at a new unit, and this is all about AI and machine learning. So, we're going to go through it, not the whole unit, but we're going to go through several lessons so that we can get a better understanding of what AI is and how it works. So, today we're going to be looking at lesson one, Introduction to Machine Learning. And if I open up the student resources, this is what it should look like. So we can see that the overview of the lesson is to learn the basics of machine learning by helping AI bot recognize fish to clean up the ocean. Vocabulary, so the only vocabulary word that might be new to some people is the word machine learning. And what that means is how computers recognize patterns and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. There are two resources. One resource is a video that I'm going to let you watch on your own. So feel free to pause me now, go watch it, and then come back. And then after you watch the video, we have an activity guide that looks like this. So up at the top, it says level one, recognizing fish. Define what is our goal. Identify fish so AI bot can clean up the ocean by removing the trash. Prepare. What kind of data do you have? We have images of fish. Okay. And then try. How are you labeling your data? So not fish or fish. How many images did you train with? And that will make more sense in a moment. And then reflect. How many fish images did AI bot get correct? Blank out of 20. So define, prepare, try, and reflect. Well, this is a problem solving strategy. So our problem is that we need to identify the fish so that the AI bot can clean up the ocean. And we're preparing, so we're brainstorming using images of fish, and then we'll go on from there. So this is our level one. So let's go ahead and click on level one. As you can see, I've already kind of gone through it, but I'm going to go through it with you as well. So here we go. All right, so it's going to come up, and we're going to see garbage dumped in the water affects marine life. In this activity, you will program or train AI, artificial intelligence, to identify fish or trash. Let's clean up the ocean. Click anywhere on the screen to continue. So I'm going to click. Let's meet AI. So that's this guy right here. I'm going to click again. AI does not know if an object is a fish or trash, but it can process images and identify patterns. Click. So to program AI, use the buttons to label an image as fish or not fish. The training you provide will teach AI to recognize patterns on its own. Let's get started. Okay, so not fish, fish. Okay, so as we go through, we're going to look at each image and we're going to say it's either a fish or it's not a fish. So that's a fish, that's a fish, not a fish. That's a fish, that's a fish, that's a fish, that's not a fish, that's not a fish. All right, and we're just going to go through this and we are slowly training. There we go. You are programming or training AI with each click. Keep going. Now, the more training you do, the more likely it is going to recognize what a fish is versus what a fish is not. So this is not something that you just want to go, okay, I'm done. This is something you want to take your time and make sure that it has a lot of data to be able to go off of. And you want to do it kind of slow because you don't want to mess up. Because if you mess up, then you have just trained it to identify something that it should not be identifying. All right, so the great work. The more data you provide AI, the more it learns. Keep training AI or continue when ready. All right, so I'm going to tell you that you should continue and keep training it, but I'm going to push forward so that you can kind of see. Right now we've done 50 items. All right, so if I wanted to keep going, 51, 52. All right, and so all right, I'm going to go up to 75. Ooh, oh, see, I almost made a mistake because I'm kind of trying to do both things at once. So no, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, 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 no. Here we go, here we go, no, no, yes, yes. All right, 77. So I'm going to stop there. You can keep going. Now let's press continue. So now let's see if AI knows what a fish looks like. All right. AI will analyze a random set of objects and label them based on your training. So it's going to label it based on how well you did your job of training the machine how to work. Okay, so we're going to press run. So far, so good. All right, and so it's showing whether it can identify a fish or not a fish. And the only reason it knows what it's doing is because we trained it to do this. So a lot like AI doesn't know what it's doing right off the back. AI knows what it's doing because somebody or a group of somebodies has gone through and trained it to recognize what it's supposed to do. All right. All right. So far so good. All right. So I'm just kind of watching it to see if anything sneaks through. But so far, it looks like we've done a pretty good job on being able to identify what a fish is versus what a fish is not. But it took us 77 images to be able to do that. All right. So this is good. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and press continue. And let's see. All right. So based on your training, here are some objects that AI identified as fish. How did AI do? Okay, well, for the most part, it looks pretty good, but we can see right here that something slipped through, right? And so we can do one of two things. We can train it more to try and develop the algorithm so that it does catch things like the apple, or we can continue on. Really, what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to continue training until you have a screen full of fish. Okay? And then once you have a screen full of fish and you don't have things like this random apple core, then you can press continue. So click here to switch between objects identified as fish and not fish. So these were fish, and then these were not fish. All right. So we did a pretty good job here. All of these appeared to be not fish. So one of the screens was right. But if we go back and look, we still have that apple core. So I would train it more until we have it working well. And then after you've got that done, then we would click continue. And we're done with level 1. So there we go. All right. See you guys on level 2 when all this starts.